For my problem, I was asked to find the equation for this particular graph. And to start off with doing so, you need to decide whether this graph is either a cotangent or a tangent graph. And you know that it's a cotangent graph because a tangent graph goes through the origin. It would go like this, but the cotangent graph goes like this. So we know that it's going to be y equals a cotangent b, and we can find the b by finding the period and using the equation of what the period is to find what b is. We know that the period of a cotangent function is pi over b, and we can say that pi over b equals pi because the period is pi, because this is 2 pi, so we know that half of 2 pi is 1 pi, so we know that the period is pi. So we can do pi over b, which is what the period is, equals pi, which is what the period of this particular graph is. So we have pi equals pi times b, so we have 1 equaling b. So it's going to be y equals a cotangent x because b is just 1. So now we need to find what a is, and we know a does not mean amplitude because in a cotangent graph, the graph just keeps going on and on and on and on. And the amplitude is where the graph is the high or the low. So we know that a is going to actually be 1/2 because it's whatever this is right here, this line. It would be 1/2 because it's 1/2 of whatever the vertical asymptote is. Or not that, just like wherever it starts to go by the vertical asymptote. So the equation equals y equals 1/2 cotangent x.